Finally got this thing back home, man. It's been gone for a long time. It's my 48-inch first. Shoot blood. But guys, I don't know. I'm gonna see. I think my mechanic's been it might been I don't know. I ain't gonna say it yet. We're gonna leave it alone. If you guys jump to the conclusion to say something, that's you. See, new starter right there. New starter on it. New battery. But I got some stuff that's been going wrong with it since last year. I'm gonna show you.
Start smoking.
See what time it is. It's last year, September. Hydro lines. Hydro. Show you the price. Guys, I'm new, so I don't really know what the prices should be. And that's why I'm here with you guys, so I can get some help. Okay, that was in September. This is April. And remind you, last year, I ended up getting a toe infection real bad. I couldn't put a boot on for 3 weeks. So I never even got to use the Mower for real. You have to check this out. I don't know. That's why I'm coming to you guys. Maybe you can help me out. And that's a good thing that I've been recording these YouTube videos. And you see where it's at now. This one paid. Hadn't ran this more at all. So, mind you, last year, man, I got a toe infection right after I picked that Mower up, helping my son in basketball practice. I don't know what happened. I was down. I couldn't put a boot on for like 3 weeks. So basically, it took me out for the rest of the season. Couldn't use that Mower. Got to use it this summer. Cut maybe a week or two. Got the starter fixed. After the starter, never got to run it again. So, dropped it off because it was doing like a zhut when it get hot after the summer. And it wouldn't start back up. So, I'm gonna run it for a second. We're gonna see. Cause I want you guys to tell me what you think. Do I need to get in a small engine and work on my own stuff? Or is my mechanic a good guy and doing what he's supposed to do? video wasn't about me chopping up no leaves. It's really to see how this mower's gonna start back up after being hot. So probably gonna go down here to the back, try to cut up some too, and see what it does. Like she did real good right there, but get her back in the garage. Alright, so I went on ahead and took the red max and blue. The rest of those back, I've been having this running the whole time. They're gonna see something. So that thing should be good and hot now, man. Now I bought this mower. This is my first mower. I bought it for $2,500. Less than 500 hours. See where it's at now. 2,500 bucks. Shoot block came on it. This I had bought brand new. And this I bought used too. Bought this 2,500 bucks also. Toro, you see how many hours is on it. Less than 500. So what you want? 52, 61, 48. Let's start this back up and let you guys hear it and see what you think. Try it one more time. Let me get on it. So it seems to be running pretty smooth, I guess. I'm gonna get out here today. I got one I need to go do. I might get out here and knock it out today. So I started. Bought this one third. This one's got you guys tell me what that is. No, it ain't much. 146 looks like. Yeah, no more of these. We're getting rid of them. Get with you. Just a second. Alright, so guys, you seen it. Started back up pretty good, especially when I put it back in. So guess all we gotta do is wait, man, get it out there in the field. Got a few jobs I've been waiting to call me. They're waiting on all the leaves to drop and get them knocked out. But this is what I started with right here. 2,500 bucks, less than 500 hours shoe block on it. And you know what that is already. I call it the almighty. I just love furs. I love the way it rides. Out of all of them, this is my favorite. This probably gets stuff done the most efficient for me. This is because it's 61. That, it's a used more, but it's a monster. I love the Toro. I love them all. So, yeah, thoughts become things. Remember that. Thoughts become things. I lost a job. Said I was gonna find a way to where I could serve people, never get fired again. And you see where we at years later. So
start smoking.